everybody. We are making a scene once again at NeoCon, and all the SANDOW brands are here. And at DesignScene, we are connecting the dots. That's what we're calling it. Now, every year, we create a sort of playground of color and inspiration, and we hear it's the best ever. But you know what? You decide. Let's talk about what we were thinking about this year.
How to make people stop in the hallway.
Right.
Just sort of come in and be surprised.
Exactly. Talk about connection and playing and color and allowing everyone else coming in to do it too, right?
Yeah, and I love that. Designers just cannot help but touch stuff.
Right, exactly.
So why not make a big thing that they can touch and interact with? And I love that surprise.
Yeah.
That kind of youthful, what is this? I don't know, I haven't seen this. And that's really fun, because that's the magazine also is this amazing, fun showcase of great design and great people and projects, and pulling that together I think is really important.
And then what I love about having such a big space is that we get to play with scale. So it's here, so you get to play as a designer, but then it scales up into these beautiful installations that are all around DesignScene.
I always say it's the magazine kind of coming to 3D.
I love that.
And now we're here in the Metropolis Sustainability Lab, where we want to prove to you that spaces that do good in the world can also be fun to create and to experience. Let's go take a look at some of them here at the Sustainability Lab. As always, we have an incredible variety of brands here at the Sustainability Lab, showing you flooring, wall coverings, textiles, furniture. At the heart of the Sustainability Lab this year, we have an installation by Model Number showing us custom 3D printed furniture made out of bio-based plastic. They connect to our Grown for Good collection, bio-based regenerative materials for commercial interiors to make a positive impact in the world.